Okay, I'm gonna change it up a little bit. I think I did the roof drain the last time, and the time before that I was working on this floor plan. Okay, so starting off with the sanitary waste, right? And I'm gonna do the vent, then I'm gonna do the hot water and the cold water. Hopefully, if I can get through this. You know how hectic things can get sometime. So let's see. Where's it? What's the game plan? What's the game plan here? I think that I'm gonna come down. You know, before I do anything, let's make sure that I'm gonna change the visual graphics up a little bit, just because I like to see the pretty colors. And what I'm going to do, let's make sure that the fixture units are being counted, right? Because that's always important. So that's 4 fixture units total for this section of piping, right? Because in our schedule, that's 4. That's probably 2 for the shower and 1 each for each of those lavatories, okay? So, because in our plumbing fixture count, let's take a look at that. The lavatory each, the drainage is 1, so that's 2 total for those 2. And then the shower we have 2 each, right? So that comes out to be that's why we have 4 fixture units for this section of pipe. Let's go back, 4, okay. So now that that's done, I think the game plan from here, because this is a drop. I'm going to drop to the first floor. This is second level. And I'm going to drop to the first floor. That's highlighted, right? So I can drop. That's going to drop to the first floor. That's the first level. Let's make sure that when I do drop, it's going to go into a wall space. But that wall has to go all the way up, right? Let's go back and click this wall, and that wall's at 9. If we go 15, let's go 15. Okay, 14.6. Let's go 14.6. How's that? Is that gonna work? So 14 space 6, and that brings that back down. And let's go to the first floor. Overall, and let's see what we got. Okay, so see, now it's going to come out here, and God knows where it's going to go after that. But I think I'm gonna, depends on the setup of the first level. So, but we took care of that. Let's see, where am I going? I'm going back. Let's go back to the second level. I'm trying to figure out. I think that wall's okay. I'm going to leave it alone. I'm not an architect. I'm not a plumber either, or I'm not a plumbing designer either. I'm just over here playing, guys. Just playing, seeing whatever Revit gives me. So back to the matter at hand. Yeah. Okay. So I think the game plan is going to be here, and let's rotate my section view. Let's see if it'll let me rotate counter or clockwise. Okay, and let's go here. So what I want to do is bring the waste out in this area, come over to this area with the 4-inch waste, and tie into my drop. Okay, and as we collect these waste, okay, for the other 3 fixtures, plumbing fixtures. Where am I? Okay, let's go. Let's make sure everything is, let's pin everything. Let's make sure I think they are, all of the fixtures, yeah, they're all pinned. Let's go back. And let's make sure that we have, man, why does Revit do that? Is there a way to lock these guys? I know it looks like that they're locked here, but or a pin or whatever, but for some reason they come out loose. They come out loose for some reason. They come out loose. So I'm going to go down and no, I don't want to go on the wall. Okay, so here, nothing is being sloped yet, but I think I will slope here. Right click, draw a pipe, and go to my first floor. Go to my second level floor plan. And let's change my view graphics here to a wireframe. And I'm going to start here, and it should pick up where I left off. Okay, so now I'm going to slope down 1/8 inch per 12 inches, or 1/8 per 12 per 1 foot. Okay, and go here. Let's see. I think that I'm gonna come out just enough, to play around. But I think I'm gonna need after this 90-degree bend, I'm gonna need a clean out here, right? Because at each 90-degree or anything more than 45, you have to put a clean out. And I'm gonna stop it here. Uh-oh, what happened? What happened? What happened? What happened? What is Revit doing now, man? What happened? What's it doing? What? I don't know. I pushed the wrong button somewhere. Okay, I think I'm gonna make this guy go out just a little bit. Why is it doing that? What's going on? Man, what's going on? There's a ghost. It's called the Ghostbuster. What's going on? A ghost in the house? I don't get that at all. This is not cool, man. What is it? View range? Is that the problem? Maybe it's a view range. Negative. Let's go -3. Because as we slope, I guess let's see. I'm gonna go -4 and say okay to that. Yeah. Man. So let's do this. Let's do that. Okay. Let's go back. Yeah, we're good. So it was a view range problem. So as we got down in the dirt, Revit I went beyond my limit. So let's go back to my graphic. See, now that's the floor below. And what you can do, if you don't want to show that floor, and you could do this, you could highlight it, right? Right click and hide it. Could hide that element. You could do that. Yeah, I was gonna look at there's another way you can do a plan region. So I'm gonna go off topic now and talk about something. And the plan region it should be in view. Plan views. Is there a plan region in here? Yeah. Okay. So this plan region, if you don't want to hide it, because for me, if you hide this, right? let's right click, hide in view, right? It's going to hide in view, meaning if you have another view, for example, I'm going to hide it in this view, right? Hide it in this view, but this is my, let's say it's my coordination view, and it's not showing up. But in my plot view, guess what? But when I go to my plot view, well, the same thing is going to happen in my plan region if I do the same thing. So there's not an option that says okay, I'm gonna pause it here. Okay, am I resuming? 10:40. Okay, that's good. So, all right. So I think I was talking about something I didn't know what I was talking about, and whatever that is. But I'm back. But I think that I'm gonna need a clean out right here. So let's clean out. Let's do this. And because it's sloping to the left, down, I'm going to slope to the right, up, right? So let's slope up. I'm going to slope up. Okay, let's just make this up. Yeah, that's cool. And let's put a cap on this guy. And let's look at the fixture units. Let's make sure it has, what, 4 or 6? Okay, we got 6 fixture units. And so the next thing I'm going to need to do, let's do this. Let's pipe up the lavatory. This lavatory to another lavatory and a shower. Okay, so we go here, here. And 90 degrees counterclockwise. Okay, so that looks good. Let's go to the section view, and we know this pin. Go down, PVC, yes, and we go here, and let's turn the slope off. Here, I'm gonna go down. And again, let's change this guy to a 2-inch, just for the heck of it, just for the heck of it. And we're gonna need P-trap, right? And move this guy up. Okay, so let's see if I can eyeball this. Can I eyeball it? Because I'm being lazy right now. And let's make sure that we have our fitting. It should be a wire combination. Yeah, okay. So we have a wire combination, 2-inch, and we're going to connect into this 4-inch. Let's go back and let's see what we can get. Let's see how lucky I am. Go here. Okay. Yep. I don't need that fitting. Let's go. Let's undo. And maybe I'll go up. Let's go up just a little bit. That might be it. This is why I don't like to do it like this, because usually it gives me an unsatisfactory fitting. Yeah, I'm not going to do that. I don't like doing that. I just have to take the time, guys, and draw out my detail line here, my horizontal, and then my vertical, because my vertical is going to cut everything or line up everything or extend everything. This is what I'm getting ready to do. Okay, here, here, and so okay, so here, let's bring it down, down, and down, 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 here, and bring this guy over, and let's cut or trim, Using an AutoCAD term. Trim here. And delete my construction lines. Go back and drag this pipe to fit onto this. Drag my 2-inch to fit onto my 4-inch with a combination Y. Okay. And the same thing I'm gonna do. Let's I can use this for my shower. Yeah, let's do that instead of rotating it twice. And the shower is here. It's way out there. There should be a 2-inch anyway. And all the slope is off. Let's go here. But I want to slope down, right? And because it's a shower, it needs a P-trap. Let's see. Okay. Another construction line, but it's called detail line in Revit. It's doing the hotkeys. You can choose, just type DL on the hotkey, and you can get a detail line. Okay, and extend this pipe here. Let's choose this. Use the arrow keys to go down. Again, go down just a little bit. Ooh, more here. Okay. And let's bring this guy out just a little bit. And trim again. Trim, trim, trim here. And 2-inch. Let's fit. Let's just make some room. Draw a pipe down, slope down, and drag my 2-inch onto my 4-inch. Okay, because we are going to turn this 4-inch down, and that might need another clean out. So what I'm going to do is align this pipe onto this pipe, and we use our align tool, right? This tool, this center line, and that center line, and now we know they're aligned. And again, we need another clean out. Draw a pipe, and it is going to slope up, and we can put a cap on this guy, and so we can look at our, make sure our fixture units are being counted. So that's 9. Let's see, we got PVC sanitary. Now let's rotate our view. Okay, here, rotate clockwise 90 degrees. Again, we go down, and it looks like we're going along pretty good. Let me look at this time. I'm going to stop it here, okay? And pick up the next time, okay? So I hope that helped, and I'll talk to you guys later.